Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the time capsule. Today, or this evening, we are heading out to HOC Performance in Mitchell's Plain. I'm on my way to go get Dean. We're going to be towing Mixed Veg down to the hive to get a tune. Okay, not a tune, a detune. Because Dean is saying that the car makes too much power for him. The last time he had the car on the dyno, it made over 380 kilowatts or something like that, close to 400 kilowatts. So you'd like the car to be detuned and then go from there and take it up in increments. So let's see what comes of this evening. Hopefully everything goes off smoothly and Dean gets the power figures that he wants. Dean, what is your expectation on the car?
The main reason why we're here is because we want to turn the car down. So, maybe 300?
Maybe 300. Okay, we'll see what Cheston can pull out of the car. What is safe. Guys, so we're out here at HOC Performance with Dean's car Mixed Veg. It's a 16 valve ABF fitted to a 21R gearbox in a Toyota Slant front. So we're having a little bit of issues now tonight with the car. The last time the car was here was about 2 years ago. The car drove, stood. So we have an injector leak. Paul and Cheston is trying to figure out what is the way forward from here. The intake is leaking as well, so we trying things out. We trying to fix it tonight on the dyno, so Cheston can just tune it sort out the fuel map, and then obviously maybe we can hit the track. Stay tuned for some time.
More like nice to the electricity. And let's come off the top. And come off the top.
Untuk kah kesedot zero, bro.
What up, guys? Carl left his camera here by me. He had to, I think he need to work late, so he can't make it. But yeah, so basically we came to detune the car. Car was a bit too aggressive, so we ended up turning down the boost. So we went from 2 bar to 1.2 bar boost, and we made 301 kilowatts on a 1.2 bar. The car must just edit that clip in some way in this whole mix. I don't show how this YouTube thing works, but yeah, I'm happy with it. So now I can start focusing on proper suspension. There is coilovers in the car. What is it, ARC coilovers, the Polo 9N. But yeah, now I can start focusing on brakes and upgrading brakes and things like that, because the car is really standard where that's concerned. But yeah, we will end of this video because I'm not sure how to do it. I'm just assisting him. He gave me the camera. So yeah, please guys, subscribe to his channel. Help the brother out. He's really trying to do something. So yeah, peace out. That was a 1.3 bar. Yes, sir. Hey guys, so I'm ending this video off with Dean. As you guys see that the video is in two parts. The first part was taken on the 28th of June, no, 28th of May. That was our first round that we went to HOC, and the second part of the video is where Dean takes over, and I had to work late. So he took over, took a few videos for me, and I'm just throwing everything together for you guys. Thank you for coming along on this trip with us. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like. Peace out. See you guys all in the next video.